Hey guys, if you're looking for a reliable, user-friendly hearing aid designed for mild to moderate hearing loss, then the RETEKESS TE201 hearing aids might just be your perfect match. Let's open up the box and check them out. So here's the charging base, a little lanyard, and a USB-C cable to charge it. In this box, here's your user manual. Here are the hearing aids themselves in this nice carrying case. Comes with extra ear tips and a cleaning tool. And there are the hearing aids themselves. And so yeah, let's go test them out and see how they work. The hearing aids feature a 16-channel digital sound processor that delivers crisp, clear audio, whether you're in a quiet room or a noisy environment. Its dual microphone pickup and noise reduction technology helps to isolate speech and reduce background noise by at least 5 decibels. That means better conversations with less frustration. This is a classic behind-the-ear RIC model. Equipped with a bridge volume button and dedicated mode switch, it's intuitive to operate even for seniors. Plus it offers a 45 decibel gain, which is ideal for those who need a little extra amplification. Their battery can last up to 8 hours on a full charge, and a full 40 hours when placed in the charging case. The included base features a digital display to show the battery percentage, and it has the ability to fully charge the device up to 4 times in a day, making them perfect for travel and overall daily use. One of its standout features is its memory function, meaning they remember your settings even after it's turned off, so you won't need to reset it every time you use them. It also features a low battery alarm to let you know when the battery level is about to run out, so you're never caught off guard when doing a variety of tasks. It also features 4 distinct listening modes tailored to different environments, from quiet indoor settings to bustling outdoor scenes. Plus, the independent mode button makes switching between them seamless. They are also IPX2 water resistant, so they can handle dust and light moisture like sweat, making them suitable for everyday use. They are FDA approved as well, giving you peace of mind about safety and quality. And so the RETEKESS TE201 offers premium features at an accessible price. It's smart, rechargeable, and easy to use solution for anyone navigating mild to moderate hearing loss. And so yeah, definitely check out the RETEKESS TE201 hearing aids today. And you can check them out in the link below. See you.